Hello. Welcome to AIN with me. And today we are going to do unboxing. I've already unboxed it because it's taking time for me to film this, so I'll put in the unboxing in it. I made it in the form of a short. We have a collaboration. Yo. Po. And it's with Nucery. This is it. So this is the box, and it has in it 4 items, two earrings, and I'm wearing one. So now it's one earring. I'm wearing one of the earrings. It's so comfortable. It goes with any style, and I like it. Let's look at them. Hello, so today we are unboxing this. Ooh. This from Nucery.com.
Oh.
This is the package.
What is Nucery?
It's a company. Can you take a picture of it? Go to take a picture. So this is it. And then this is how it looks. And here it has a paper. It says certificate. You deserve the world's best guaranteed for life. Wear your Nucery piece with pride. Sincerely, Nucery. I like this. So this is the first piece. This is how it comes. This is it.
A ring.
Okay.
The next piece. It's a kitten.
A necklace. This is how it looks like.
It looks more like a sea kitten.
Is it?
A sea chain.
A sea chain. Okay. And then the final one. No, not final. The next one.
Earrings. I see they're only giving you accessories.
Accessories.
Yeah, accessories.
Well done. Done well. Do not keep it away, Mama. The next one. It's also earrings.
I thought so already.
You thought so?
Yeah. I'm going to change it.
Because after that, I'm going to do photo shoot. You take a photo. This is how the box came, and these are the things in it, and I like how this comes. They're very stylish, they're very comfortable, and they just add the right pop of flair to any outfit. This is really beautiful. I like it. I'm using one hand to film whilst I also. So this is the other pair of earring, and if you're someone who really like pearls, you would love it. It's simple, it's cute, and it's beautiful. Even though I usually stick to my wedding ring or wedding rings, this time I got my customized necklace. If you've been watching for a long time, you realize I wear this all the time. I hardly remove my necklace. I was happy to have new pieces. So this is the necklace. I'm happy to have new pieces. I have used it once and it was really beautiful. I did a combination of it with this one because I hardly removed the one there on my neck. The ring and necklace are just so stunning. This is the necklace. So here's my ring. Let me show you the ring too. Hey. So this was my small unboxing, and if you're thinking about adding some fresh, stylish jewelry to your collection, definitely check out Nucery. And because this is my first collab, I've got a special discount code for you to snag these beauties at a great price. Just use this discount code in my description box, but it is AMILOVE, AMILOVE. Until next time, keep being awesome, enjoy, stay blessed, and see you in my next video. And let's bye.